So congratulations to Fifi, my Fifi. She graduated yesterday with a diploma. She's now a qualified non-medical esthetician. Gorerino igorela maititi with no doubt. And I'm so happy for her because Mama Kore maititi wanongachingo chema chete. But 2025 has been so good to her. Fifi wrote a post saying, Sidesco qualified non-medical esthetician. God placed the dream in my heart for a reason. Then my teacher also wrote, Shkanzi, last year I enrolled my daughter to one of the A-list beauty schools in Zimbabwe. Tonight she receives here's the Desco diploma. Am I not a proud mom? After everything that happened last year, I think my titi wakatombo disappointed mwana uyu. But anyway, she is now a proud mother because mwana akazoshingirira akadzokera kuchikoro. Because last year, I think she had to defer, akazopedzisira panzira. Then she had to continue this year. Dai akatopedza last year, but nenyaya dziya dzakaitika last year dziya dzanga asina kumira zvakanaka. I think chikoro chakambomisa. And then this year, she continued and finished her diploma. And then she also wrote, Kuti pamazuva maititi takaona Mwari. The journey was a tough one, but God held us down. Congratulations, my first fruit. You are now a professional esthetician. As the Desco diploma holder, the chalk makorokoto was laid. Ndi maititi vanyora kudai so ava. Hence, it was a tough journey, and indeed, it was a tough journey. And then she also went on to narrate what really happened. Pavakazvara Fifi. Nothing much, nombotaurwa about Baba Fifi, but anyway, let me just read what she wrote. And after birth, ndasungirwa. My parents were like, go back to your husband's house, but deep down, I knew he didn't really love me. We got there with my baby Fifi. She was hardly a month. The guy locked the doors and said, I don't want you here and that child because I went chimwe chaiva amitisa. Today, I celebrate this beautiful child who is now a graduate, now owning a beauty spa and doing great personal center babawacho. Meaning what? We can still do it for our kids. Congratulations, Fifi. My teacher is an inspiration to most of my single mothers because you can actually do it without the father of the child and you can actually be successful. And Fifi is now an example kuvana vaive vakangosiwa futina nababa vacho without anything chavanenge vakaitirwa nevabereki vavo kuti you can also be successful after that. Gogo Murata is also saying kuti vakarwadziwa nezvakaitika pakurasirwa dhishi ravakarasirwa pakurasirwa zvinhu hanzi pane pavakaendesa pacho ipapo mwana vachitita kumudzorera hanzi zvinhu zvese zvakarasiwa panze. So she expressed herself kuti she did not like it, but look at her now, she's now a graduate. Vakatoenda mhuri yese to celebrate the day racho graduation. Vana vakawanda who don't have present fathers, most of the times they come out right. If you notice kuti vanonyatsoita shungu vana ivavo vachingoti hatina kukura nevabereki kana kuti handina kukura nababa wangu, ndoda kunyatsoenda out there and represent and also be someone achakwanisa kuchengeta vabereki. Vamwe ndo vasingazvione, vamwe havanei nazvo, vamwe vanozviona, vamwe vana kana masa nazvo. I think Fifi ndiyakatozoita take over beauty spa yamai vake, and it's a good thing kuti vakatoitira mwana something achingopedza chikoro atova an entrepreneur because mabasa acho hakuna. At the end of the day unomirirani kuti akupe basa? Hapana mabasa acho, and we can't wait to see Fifi making a mother proud more. This is just the beginning. I'm sure she's got a lot of things that she's going to achieve and also make a mother proud. Chakamirira muchato, more success as well, business-wise and the likes. I don't know what you guys think, but I think this is a proud moment for my titi. And kana uri mubereki ukareach this milestone, it's a huge milestone, especially if you are doing it alone, single-handedly. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. So to subscribe, but please make sure that you're subscribed, and see you in my next video.